Manus AI versus Lovable, which AI tool is better? Choosing the right AI tool depends heavily on what you are trying to build or accomplish, and Manus AI and Lovable represent two very different answers to that question. Manus AI is an autonomous agent platform built to execute complex multi-step tasks independently across tools and environments, while Lovable is an AI-powered app builder designed to turn natural language prompts into fully functional web applications without writing code. This comparison breaks down how each tool works so you can find the one that actually serves your goals. Manus AI is an autonomous AI agent that operates independently to complete research, data gathering, code execution, file management, and multi-step workflows on behalf of the user. Rather than requiring constant input or guidance, Manus takes a task and works through it end to end, delivering finished results that go far beyond a simple answer or suggestion. Its strength lies in its ability to operate across multiple tools and environments autonomously, making it particularly powerful for professionals and researchers who want to delegate complex processes without micromanaging each step. Manus AI is best suited for power users and professionals who need an AI that can independently execute complex and research-heavy workflows from start to finish. Lovable is an AI-powered web application builder that allows users to create fully functional apps from natural language descriptions without writing any code manually. Its strength lies in the speed at which non-technical users can go from idea to working prototype, with Lovable handling front-end layout, back-end connections, and basic application logic automatically. It integrates with tools like Supabase for database management and supports direct deployment, making it possible to get a working product live in hours rather than days. Lovable is particularly strong in the early stages of a project where speed and accessibility matter more than deep customization. Lovable is best suited for non-technical founders, designers, and entrepreneurs who want to build and launch functional web applications quickly without needing to write code. Feature comparison. Manus AI and Lovable serve completely different use cases, despite both being AI-powered tools. Manus is built for autonomous task execution and workflow delegation across complex and multi-tool environments. Lovable is built for fast and accessible application creation for users who want to turn ideas into working products without coding. The right tool depends entirely on whether you need an autonomous workflow agent or a no-code app builder. Final thoughts. If you need an AI that can independently research, execute code, manage files, and complete complex multi-step tasks without supervision, Manus AI is a powerful and capable choice for that kind of work. If you need to build a functional web application quickly without writing code, Lovable offers an impressive and accessible way to go from idea to working product in a fraction of the traditional development time. The better tool is simply the one that matches what you are actually trying to accomplish.